My name is Dimitri, you're on a channel about car sound deadening, and today we have Audi A4, and the customer has come with the problem that there is a noise in the doors while driving on a highway, and we start choosing our options and assessing the doors. You can see there is just one vibration layer. Just listen how empty the doors are. And we start with our Premium Plus solution. In the first layer, it's STP Gold. It's a 2.2 millimeters vibration damping with a 100 micron foil. It's a very good material, so I do proper measurement, cutting the sheets and installing the material with degreasing the surface and firmly rolling the material. On top of that, I do install STP Sonora, so it absorbs medium and high frequency noise, stop rattles, and the next step I start working on a plastic door card. It's a pretty long job, I would say. Try to finding all potential noises in these complex plastic door cards. This is a common problem in all Audis. So sometimes it might take up to a couple of hours just for one plastic door card to treat all these connections between multiple and complex parts. So once the anti-noise tape was installed, I'm putting all plastic components together back and start preparing for the next step. But before proceeding, I'm carefully checking that, all noise are gone. Since I mentioned there are more than maybe 20 different parts in this plastic door card. And after verification, I do an installation of the next material. This is STP Biplast. It might vary with a different thickness, 5, 10 or 15 millimeters, depends on the gap that we have in the door card. So firstly, it absorbs the sound waves that are coming outside from the street. Do not let them go into interior. And the second purpose, it creates a soft layer and avoid any plastic to metal, plastic to plastic contact inside the outer door skin and the plastic door card. And final touch, it's an anti-noise tape that I do an installation through the perimeter of the door card to avoid also plastic to metal contact, which will create a proper acoustic enclosure and the door will seize firmly without any issues. So let's take a look at the final result. And let's listen how it goes. In this door I didn't install, it's still empty. In this door I install material. And let's see the numbers, the result before and after. And after finishing the installation, I do quick cleaning to have a nice and clear interior so you can enjoy your ride in your car. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and see you in the next videos.